In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up your Galaxy Watch 8 without a phone. You can set up a Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 for basic use without a phone by doing the steps. First is to press and hold the power button, and then select your language and country. Swipe up from the Let's Go screen until you see the Galaxy Wearable app prompt. Instead of connecting, quickly tap the Wear icon several times, then long press it for over 3 seconds. This opens a demo mode which letting you skip the phone connection and continue setting up basic features like time, date, and watch faces. Now for full functionality, use the Galaxy Wearable application on a compatible Android phone, for example is Samsung, to get the most out of your watch. For calls and data without a phone nearby, you'll need an LTE model with an activated eSIM plan from a carrier like Verizon or Tello. And that's how you can set up your Galaxy Watch 8 without a phone, and thank you for listening.